Now to Ebola, the CDC is preparing new guidelines for healthcare workers who treat Ebola patients. At the same time, the number of people being monitored for the disease continues to grow. Vicente Arenas in Dallas begins our Ebola coverage.
The updated guidelines come after two nurses, Nina Pham and Amber Vinson, became infected with Ebola after treating Thomas Eric Duncan at Texas Health Presbyterian Hospital. Pham, shown in this video taken at the hospital, was flown to the National Institutes of Health in Maryland, where she's in fair condition. Vinson was flown to Emory University Hospital in Atlanta. Her condition is not being released. Duncan died from the virus 10 days ago after initially being misdiagnosed and released from Texas Presbyterian. Duncan's case, the first Ebola diagnosis in the United States, has set off a chain reaction in Dallas and beyond. The CDC says it's monitoring about 400 people for symptoms nationwide. In an email to employees Friday, Frontier's CEO Barry Biffle said the CDC informed the airline that Vinson may have been at a more advanced stage of illness than previously determined when she flew from Cleveland to Dallas on October 13th, a day before she was hospitalized. Taylor Cole was a passenger on that flight and is isolating himself.
So, until this 21 days is up, every time I check the thermometer and it's low, it's like winning the lottery.
Texas government officials have asked the 75 hospital workers who may have been exposed to Duncan to restrict their movements in public places and on mass transit. Their temperatures are being checked twice a day.
It's a critical weekend because we feel like if we get to Monday, we're in a much better probability place.
Before monitoring was enforced, a hospital lab worker who may have handled Duncan's lab samples boarded a Carnival cruise ship in Texas. That worker is now in self-isolation as a precaution and is said to be healthy.
The Carnival Magic will return to Galveston tomorrow morning after Mexico refused to allow the ship to dock there. And Jim, we confirmed today that the CDC has asked a TSA agent to check themselves and monitor themselves regularly after learning that agent came in contact with Ebola patient Amber Vinson at Cleveland's airport.
Vicente, thank you.